Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 24th, 2024, and we're diving into Northrop Grumman's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Northrop Grumman, a leader in aerospace and defense technology, has just released their Q3 2024 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Northrop Grumman reported sales of $10 billion for the third quarter, a 2% increase from last year. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
Well, the increase in sales is a positive indicator of strong demand for Northrop Grumman's products and services. The net earnings also rose to $1 billion, translating to a 13% increase in diluted earnings per share to $7. This growth is supported by an operating margin improvement to 11.2%, up from 10.4% last year, showcasing effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Segment performance analysis. John, can you break down the performance across Northrop Grumman's segments?
Absolutely. Aeronautics Systems saw a 4% sales increase, driven by higher F-35 production and increased sustainment activities. Defense Systems grew by 2%, with notable contributions from the Sentinel and SIO programs. Mission Systems experienced a robust 7% growth, thanks to advanced microelectronics and technology programs. However, Space Systems faced a 3% decline due to the wind down of certain programs, though this was partially offset by gains in satellite programs.
Guidance and future outlook. Northrop Grumman has raised its guidance for 2024. What are the key highlights, John?
The company has increased its sales guidance to a range of $41 billion to $41.4 billion and raised its EPS guidance to between 25.65 and 26.5 cents. Free cash flow is expected to be between $2.25 billion and $2.65 billion. CEO Kathy Warden emphasized the company's strategic focus on margin expansion and free cash flow growth, projecting over 20% growth in free cash flow for 2025.
Risks and challenges. Despite the positive outlook, what risks should investors be aware of?
Investors should note the 14% increase in interest expenses and an 11% decline in cash flow from operations this quarter. The wind down of certain space systems programs also poses a challenge. Additionally, Northrop Grumman faces competitive pressures and potential impacts from macroeconomic factors, including inflation and supply chain disruptions.
Key takeaways. In summary, Northrop Grumman has delivered a solid performance this quarter with significant net awards and a record backlog. The company's strategic initiatives are driving EPS growth and free cash flow improvement. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you. Northrop Grumman's strong guidance and operational efficiencies make it a compelling investment prospect, despite some challenges. It's been a pleasure discussing their performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Northrop Grumman's performance in the comments below.